Hi, I'm George Dessaw, and this is SoundWayz, my video segment dedicated to showing you how to get better sound. Today I'm going to tell you about 3 products from a company called Furutech. Furutech is a Japanese-based manufacturer of audio-video cables and connectors, as well as high-end audio components. So using methods such as cryogenics and demagnetization, they aim to deliver the lowest possible distortion and noise for the best sound. Let me tell you about 3 of Furutech's flagship AC products. The first is the GTX D NCF receptacle. Second, the GTX high performance wall plate. And the third is their 104D wall plate cover. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about these 3 products, give you a closer look, and then we're going to actually look at an installation. Get ready. Okay, it's time to look at the 3 Furutech products in some more detail. First up is Furutech's GTX D NCF receptacle. The NCF stands for Nano Crystal Formula, which is made from nanocrystalline, ceramic, and carbon powder. This special crystalline material has 2 important active properties. It generates negative ions that eliminate static, and second, it converts thermal energy into far infrared. This is Furutech's ultimate electrical and mechanical damping material and is only found in Furutech products. The GTX D NCF receptacle follows Furutech's objective of optimizing AC and signal transfer. The receptacle uses special Furutech rhodium-plated alpha pure copper conductors, strengthened and sprung by their innovative non-magnetic stainless steel conductor spring system. It provides a firm grip but won't damage the blades or plating on your high-end cords. Let's now take a peek inside the GTX D receptacle. You can see here the high-quality rhodium-plated alpha pure copper contacts within the plug. Pressure is provided by an innovative stainless steel spring, which is coated with a damping material. The body of the Furutech's GTX D receptacle is made of NCF nanocrystalline with nylon and fiberglass. The cover is made of a durable polycarbonate NCF. The structure is anchored by a rigid 2 mm thick stainless steel brace. Supplementing that is a through and through damping clamp that comes through the back brace and connects it with the front plate. The GTX D will also accommodate 8-gauge wire, either bare or with spades via the side screws. Next up is Furutech's GTX wall plate. It's a high-performance wall plate for duplex or single outlets. It's CNC milled of a special aluminum to provide an effective shield against RFI or radio frequency interference. It's incredibly solid with a 13 mm thickness and has specially designed non-resonant coating. It also comes with a fluoropolymer damping foil insert and a stainless steel screw. Finally, we have the Furutech 104D high-end performance duplex outlet cover plate, constructed of stainless steel and finished in carbon and glass fiber with stainless steel screws. It has been designed to minimize vibration, ensure durability, and complement Furutech's high-end AC receptacles. It is quite a looker, and it does come with a couple stainless steel screws for mounting. Okay, now it's time for the fun stuff. Installing the GTX D NCF receptacle, wall plate, and wall plate cover. Now, this installation should only be done by a qualified electrician in accordance with the National Electrical Code and any local electrical codes that apply. I'm just going to show you the 3 main stages of the installation. So we start with your basic electrical outlet, and we're going to upgrade it now with the Furutech products. Okay, you can see here we've removed the cover plate and the outlet is exposed, the original outlet, and the wiring. Now to remove this outlet and install the GTX D NCF receptacle in its place. Okay, now we've installed the GTX wall plate along with the Teflon damping foil insert. And we've connected the GTX D NCF receptacle It's now ready to put back into the wall. Okay, we've fully installed the GTX wall plate and receptacle along with the Teflon insert, and now it's time to put on the finishing touch, the cover plate. Here's a GTX receptacle and wall plate with Teflon insert installed. Just the cover plate remains to be done. You can see the labeling is upside down. This was done by the electrician intentionally to put the ground pin on the bottom, matching the other receptacles in my home. Your particular application may allow for the inverse, with the labeling right side up. And our Furutech GTX receptacle is ready to use. All we need to do is take one of our high-end power cords and plug it right in. I hope you enjoyed this video on Furutech's GTX receptacle and wall plate. We'll be doing more videos on Furutech products in coming months. Please look out for them. Thanks and have a great day.